And Jamaica's qualification to the FIFA Women's World Cup will continue to yield dividends for the current and future players. Head coach of Waterhouse women's football team and Excelsior High School, Xavier Gilbert, made the observation on Thursday as that day marked 1 year since the Reggae Girlz historic qualification to the FIFA showpiece. Gilbert, who has coached the Reggae Girlz under-17 team, says the qualification has opened doors for talented players.
We have players playing all over the world and players playing in the Champions League. And I think we being on the world stage, where we see these players getting the necessary exposure and of course being on the biggest showpiece of football in the world, then of course clubs right around the world will gravitate towards our players. And I think it's only going to get better and the younger players will have a better opportunity.
Gilbert, who carried Waterhouse to the JFF Women's Premier League title and Excelsior High to back-to-back ISA trophies, has some recommendations on how the women's program can be improved.
Also, the league should run a little bit longer or have more than one competition. And sponsors definitely have to come on board. So I'm appealing to corporate Jamaica to come on board and support the young ladies. Because we see with limited resources and support how far they reach.
The experienced coach argues that girls also need to start playing the game earlier.
There's lots of talent in the high school pool. There needs to be more because we need a lot more high schools to be playing. And they need to start playing at an earlier age. We definitely should have, even if we don't have a primary league, we should have at least an under-15 league where you could probably put some of the schools in zone and have a competition where zones for even at the primary school level.